time, there was a very old man and a very old woman. They lived in a nice, clean house which had flowers all around it except for where the door was, but they couldn't be happy because they were so very lonely.
If we only had a cat,
said the very old woman.
A cat?
Asked the very old man.
Yes, a sweet little fluffy kitten.
Said the very old woman.
I'll get you a cup, my dear.
Said the very old man. And so he set out over the hills to look for one. He climbed over the sunny hills. He trudged through the cool valleys. He walked a long, long time, and at last he came to a hill which was quite covered with cats.
Cats here, cats there, cats in kitchens everywhere. Hundreds of cats, thousands of cats, millions and millions and trillions of cats. Oh!
Cried the old man joyful.
Now I choose the prettiest cat and take it home with me.
So he chose one. It was white. But just then, as he was about to leave, he saw another cat. That was another cat, all black and white, and it seemed just as pretty as the first one, so he took it, this one also. But then he saw a fuzzy gray kitten was over here, which was every bit as pretty as the others, so he took it too. And now he saw one way down in a corner which he thought too lovely to leave, so he took it too. And just then, over here, the very old man found a kitten which was black and very beautiful. Said the very old man, so he took it. And now over there he saw a cat which had light brown and yellow stripes like a baby tiger. Cried the very old man, and he did. So it happened that every time the very old man looked up, he saw other cats which was so pretty he could not bear to leave it. And before he knew it, he had golden them all. And so he went back over the sunny hills and down through the cool valleys to show all her pretty kittens to the very old one. It was very funny to see those hundreds and thousands and millions and billions and trillions of cats following him. They came to a pond.
We are thirsty.
Cried the hundreds of cats,
Thousands of cats, millions and billions and trillions of cats. Well, here's a great deal of water.
said the very old man. Each cat took a sip of water, and the pond was gone.
We are hungry.
Said the hundreds of cats,
Thousands of cats, millions and billions and trillions of cats. Well, here are the coats which are full of grass.
said the very old man. Each cat ate a mouthful of grass, not a bit was left. Pretty soon the very old woman saw them coming.
My dear,
She cried,
what are you doing? I asked for one little kitty, and what do I see? Cats here, cats there, cats and kittens everywhere. Hundreds of cats, thousands of cats, millions and millions and trillions of cats. But we can never feed them all.
said the very old woman.
They will eat us out of house and home. I never thought of that.
Said the old man, he called to the cats.
Cats, which of you are the prettiest?
Of the hundreds of thousands and millions and trillions for each cat thought it was the prettiest, and they began to quarrel. They bit and scratched and clawed each other, and made such a great noise that the very old man and very old woman ran into the house as fast as they could. They did not like such quarreling, but after a while the noise stopped, and the very old man and very old woman peeked out of the window. Not a single cat was left.
I think they must have eaten each other all up.
Said the very old woman.
It's too bad. But look,
Said the very old man, and he pointed to a bunch of high grass. It sat one little frightened kitten. Then they went out and picked it up. It was thin and scraggly.
poor little kitty.
Said the very old woman.
Dear little kitty.
Said the very old man.
How does it happen that I'm not eating up those hundreds and thousands and millions and billions and trillions of cats? Oh, I'm just a little hungry little kitty.
They took the kitten in. Said the kitten.
When you asked who's the prettiest, I didn't say anything at all, so don't be bothered about me.
They took the kitten into the house where the very old woman gave it a warm bath and brushed its fur until it was soft and shiny. Every day they gave it plenty of milk, and soon it grew nice and plump.
And it is a very pretty kitty after all.
Said the very old woman.
It's the most beautiful cat in the whole entire world.
Said the very old man.
And I gotta know, for I've seen hundreds of cats, thousands of cats, millions and millions and trillions of cats. And one was not prettiest as this one.
My name was Ashton and I was a cat.
My name is Justine and I was a cat.
My name was Hiba and I was a cat. My name is Royce and I was a dark blue cat. My name is Jocelyn and I was a yellow, orange, and pink cat. My name is Moses and my cat looked like a tiger. My name is Sierra and I was a cat.
My name is Camille and I was a cat.
My name is Angel and I was a cat.
My name is Ashish and I was the old man.
My name is Millie and I was the sweet little kitty. My name is Karis and I was the old woman. My name is Rayon and I was the sweet little kitty. Cat. My name is Ashley and I was the narrator. My name is Nathan and I was a narrator. My name is Parker and I was a narrator. My name is Noah and I was a narrator. Thank you for coming to our performance today.